In this video, we review STARCOMM's Video Surveillance Portal interface. Let's start with the upper menu. From here, you can access the camera list of layouts, recorded events, your clip library, camera location on the map, access auto scan setup, show thumbnails in the grid, and launch heat maps. The drop-down menu allows you to change the number and layout of cameras on the screen. The Help menu allows you to download a PDF version of this tutorial or watch videos on specific topics. The Info menu links to the Admin panel and safely finishes the current session. Menus can be closed either by clicking the menu button again or using the X button. The Go Live button brings camera to a live mode. The Live indicator shows the current camera state. The camera toolbar includes the play and pause toggle, the volume controls, the playback speed button, the size toggle which leaves the camera display in native format or stretches the image to fill the screen, 3 search tools, synchronization, thumbnail grid, and area event search, create snapshots, the map button which shows the camera location on the map, and the full screen toggle, which expands the camera view. Also, you can double-click to open and close the full screen. The X button closes the camera. The system clock is linked to the computer system time and by default is synchronized with the world time server. It shows the current playback position. The live stream sign is replaced with the clock when viewing archive footage and shows archive time. The camera clock set belongs to the camera and is controlled by the camera settings. You can zoom into the image using the mouse wheel. Drag the image to change viewing position. Now, the bottom toolbar. It lets you navigate through the recorded video. Use the back and forward buttons to jump by the selected time interval. Use the calendar to jump to the footage from the desired moment. There are 4 buttons which control multiple cameras currently on screen. You can play or pause all cameras simultaneously, synchronize all cameras to the same moment in time, quickly set all cameras to a live mode, and switch to the full screen. Press Escape to exit. The bottom toolbar also holds buttons to toggle thumbnails and to create clips of events. Timeline and thumbnails provide quick access to the stored footage. They are linked to the selected camera indicated with a blue border. Use a single click on the image panel to assign this panel as the selected camera. This is the scrubber. It shows the current playback position. The center scrubber button moves the timeline to position the scrubber in the center of the screen. Watch our other tutorials or contact STARCOMM for additional information on our video surveillance monitoring portal and video surveillance hardware.